Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create and manage dashboards in HubSpot. Before we get started, please like and subscribe. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once the page loads, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. After you're logged in and your main dashboard appears, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Reporting. This section is where all your analytics and data visualization tools are located, giving you access to the insights you need to track your business performance. Once you're in the reporting section, click on Dashboard at the top of the page. This is where all your existing dashboards are stored and where you'll be able to create new ones. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and click Create Dashboard. This button opens up the dashboard creation process and gives you access to various options for setting up your data display. At this point, HubSpot will show you a selection of different templates for your dashboard. These templates are pre-designed to help you get started quickly, covering common use cases like sales performance, marketing metrics, or customer service tracking. Browse through the available options and click the template that best fits your needs. Each template is structured differently, so pick one that aligns with the type of data you want to monitor. After selecting your template, click Next to move forward. Now you'll be prompted to input a dashboard name. Choose a name that clearly describes what this dashboard will track, making it easier to identify later when you have multiple dashboards set up. Once you've entered the name, you'll see a section labeled Who can access this dashboard. This setting determines visibility and sharing permissions. Click on any of the radio button options based on whether you want this dashboard to be private, shared with your team, or accessible across your entire organization. After making your selection, click Create Dashboard to finalize the setup. Now to manage your dashboard, look at the top of the screen and click on the dashboard name. A drop-down menu will appear showing all your available dashboards. Choose the dashboard you want to manage from this list. Once it's open, you can click the star icon next to the dashboard name to mark it as a favorite. This makes it easier to access frequently used dashboards without searching through the full list every time. Next, hover your mouse over one of the data visuals or reports displayed on your dashboard. You'll notice three dots appear, usually in the top right corner of that specific visual. Click on these three dots to reveal a menu with several management options. From here, you can clone the visual to duplicate it, rename it for clarity, export unsummarized data if you need raw numbers, share it via email or link, move it to a different position on the dashboard, change the owner if someone else should manage it, add it to another dashboard, remove it from the current dashboard, or delete it entirely if it's no longer needed. Additionally, you can click the filter icon to add a filter to your dashboard. Filters allow you to narrow down the data displayed based on specific criteria like date ranges, team members, or deal stages, giving you more control over the insights you're viewing. And that's it. You've successfully created and learned how to manage dashboards in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.